Welcome to the eighth lecture of very first chapter of Comprehensive Data Science, Machine Learning and AI course. Now, in previous two lectures, we have seen how to install Python and how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows machine and how to check if our installations is correct or are correct or not. Similarly, in this lecture, I want to show you how to install Jupyter on Mac. So here are the steps. This first step is conditional in the sense that only if Homebrew, which is the package manager for the Mac operating system, is not installed, then only you have to do this step. So most of the time your Mac OS will come pre-installed with this Homebrew. But suppose it is not installed, then you will open the terminal of your Mac OS. This is actually the terminal of Ubuntu, but I will pretend that it is the terminal of Mac OS, and I will select this whole command. I am providing the notes, so you can just copy paste if you want, and I will paste it, and then just run. This curl will fetch the homebrew package from this raw.github user-content.com and so on. So from this net location, so internet should be open, that is clear. A script will be required and that script will run, and therefore your package will be installed. Once the package is installed, then you can write brew install Python. Now again, before that you should check what version of Python is there, because Mac often comes with Python 2.7 installed, but 2.7 is a very old version, and between Python 2 and Python 3 there are several conflicts. So we will be using the latest version, Python 3.12, or maybe slightly earlier version 3.11, 3.10 and 3.9, like that. But 2.7 is completely unacceptable. So you will write brew install Python, and it will automatically fetch the latest version from the net repository. Then you will, once Python is installed, thereafter with that pip package manager for the Python is also already installed. Then you can write pip3. 3 is for Python 3. Then pip3 install notebook. Okay. So then in that case, it will install notebook and several other softwares. So it will be a long list of packages. It will install them on your Mac OS. Once that installation finishes and you get your command prompt again, then on that command prompt you write Jupyter space notebook. Okay. And Jupyter notebook will open in a new window. For example, here I am writing this. Let me first close this. I think that this is where my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so I can close that. Fine, and I will open Control Alt T. But that is the shortcut on my Ubuntu. On your Mac, the shortcut might be different. So open by clicking the icon of the terminal. So what we do first? We first installed brew package, and that is required only if brew is not installed. Then we install Python. I will not execute because I am on Ubuntu, but brew install Python. Okay, and then once you will press and enter, so that will install Python latest version. And then once Python is installed, pip is also installed. So pip3 install notebook. So that is how you will install Jupyter notebook, and then you will run Jupyter notebook. So Jupyter space notebook. Okay, and immediately your browser Safari or whatever is your default browser on your Mac OS, that will open. You can click this file menu. There is new button, and with that new button there is many options. You choose the notebook option. So a new notebook will open in another tab. If some kernel choice is allowed, asked, then you just select whatever is presented. We will discuss more about that kernel choice later. Okay, and you just test your installation. A equals 3, D equals 5, and print A plus D. So a very simple Python code, and click this triangular button that says that run this cell and advance to a new cell. Okay, sorry, I have made a typo in print. So okay, and so it is showing me the result A plus B is 8. So that means my installation is successful. So this is how you will install Python and Jupyter notebook both on your Mac OS.